Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.37 trillion. We are up 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, Btc Dominance is currently sitting at 37.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing some mild green across the board over the last 24 to 1 hour. But if we are looking at the broader picture, markets are still seeing quite a bit red across the board if we're looking at the 7-day chart, and that is mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin is still in the shaky end of the zone. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, an update that all you guys are requesting, and that is Polygon Matic. Alright, my Polygon family, if we are looking at the Polygon Matic's price, we are currently trading at $2.52, down 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, and 1.5% in Bitcoin, and 3.3% in Ethereum comparative in the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $17.29 billion, so that's something definitely we like seeing. 24-hour trading volume is at $848.8 million. So something right off the bat on this channel, we look at all the scenarios, and right off the bat, the 24-hour trading volume is kind of low for Polygon as of now. And the overall ranking on the cryptocurrency market ranking is at that top 14 spot. So we did have pulled down a little bit. We did see a correction occur, but nothing to worry about, guys. If we are looking at the broader picture, guys, you know, that's something that we never want to be forgetting. Harmony 1 is still up 14,000. Let me repeat that again. Harmony 1 is up still. I'm sorry, not Harmony 1. Matic. I'm sorry, Matic. I'm having a confusion because I did have coverage for Harmony 1 just before that, so please forgive me, guys. If we are looking at the Polygons Matic 1-year chart, guys, in just the last year alone, Polygon Matic is up 14,000%, and it is by far one of the best performing cryptocurrency assets over the past 1 year. So we cannot forget that. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff of what's going on and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see Harmony, again, not Harmony 1, Matic Network, guys. Please, I'm sorry. Okay, if we are looking at the Matic Network's price right now, you guys can see Matic is still hovering in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And now you may be coming and saying, Crypto ZX, why does this not bother you? Why are you not concerned? Harmony 1 has pulled down quite a bit. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, obviously Harmony 1 has pulled down about 14.48%. Nothing to worry about in my opinion. I believe Harmony 1 is, okay, you know what, guys? I'm sorry, I'm not even going to say the name at this point. Matic Network. My apologies. So if we are looking at the prices for Matic Network right now, this itself should show you the overall momentum that is on Matic Network side as of now. And this literally speaks a lot of volume, and you cannot make this up, guys. Even though we have seen a 14% correction occur within the price of a Matic Network after an all-time high, which is very, very common, guys, because people do tend to take profits. And one thing that we need to keep in mind is that Bitcoin is still in the shaky end of the spectrum. So obviously Matic Network is going to react with the overall Bitcoin price, because at the end of the day, guys, everything is correlated with Bitcoin. But one thing to keep in mind right now for you guys is that this support level at this $2.46.1 is playing out for the price of Polygon. And you guys can see we did touch here quite often, but it has been holding as a nice level of support, which was the previous level of major resistance for Matic Network. So that's something definitely we want to be looking at. And right now, if you ask me, Crypto ZX, what are your thoughts on Harmony Matic Network? Guys, we are still looking very, very sharp. Yes, we are having a consolidation phase happening with the Polygon overall price action, but only 14%, guys. Let's not forget that, there are people that bought Matic back when it was below a penny. Below a penny. So obviously these people are going to take profits here and there. And also on top of that, Bitcoin price should not be ignored. And at the end of the day, nothing goes up straight forever. Obviously, we are going to see consolidation phases here and there before we do see continuous upwards trend happening. A lot of people are talking whether or not this 2022 year is going to be a bull run, or are we going to top out sometime, in Q4, Q1, Q2? Honestly speaking, no one knows that, guys. But if we are looking at everything that's going on around the world, you guys know inflation is getting bumped up, so that could literally, have some sort of positive effect on the overall, cryptocurrency markets. NFTs are booming. That could bring in more hype. This bull run could last longer because you guys know what's going on in this world right now. It shall not be named. The specific thing shall not be named. That has been causing a lot of people to stay home, and more and more people will start looking at something to invest in, such as stocks, NFTs, cryptocurrencies. And on top of that, we have never seen this much amount of institutional demand come ever in the cryptocurrency space. I have been in the space for about like 6.5 years to 7 years, guys, and we have never seen institutional demand come in for cryptocurrencies, because they are starting to see how cryptocurrencies can help against inflation. Because you guys know what's happening. You look at Lebanon, their currency literally collapsed, and this literally goes to show, fiat has zero value. So why are a lot of people looking towards cryptocurrencies? Because it hedges against inflation. And I do believe this time around could be totally different for the entire cryptocurrency space. But one thing to keep in mind is that the whales don't care about inflation or anything. They can manipulate the markets any time of the week. So that's something that we do need to keep in mind. But I personally, again, it's my own personal opinion, I do not see Bitcoin having a bear market like we did see back in the days, where we did see Bitcoin price fall down to 80 to 90%. I don't personally see that happening anymore. Obviously, altcoins will get hit. Not all coins are here to stay, but the ones with real use case, strong fundamentals, working products such as Matic, network, are the ones that are here to stay and that are going to thrive in this space. But if we're looking at the Bitcoin price right now, guys, you guys can see Bitcoin is still in the shaky end of the spectrum. We have been, retesting this support line at that 46,000 quite a bit, and right now we're not out of the woods just yet. Obviously, we are in a weekend. Weekends tend to be a lot of manipulation across the board, but if this line does not hold, if the bulls lose their traction around here and the bears take over, we could see us having a retest and creating a double bottom at that $42,100 mark. And obviously, if that were the case, Matic network along with other altcoins are going to be affected, and I could see us go back down below this level of resistance and possibly even back down into that 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. But if Bitcoin were to hold around this level and break out of our confirmation at that $52,250 level, we were unable to break it just a couple days ago. We literally touched this confirmation for us, and there was a rejection right away. So if we're able to break above here, then we would be having a total different conversation. But one thing to keep in mind right now is the BTC dominance. BTC dominance is heading to some levels that we have not seen since May of 2021. So that would be very, very interesting to see what happens, because if we break below this 39.67% BTC dominance, guys, then we could be in for an altcoin rally. A lot of analysts are calling that to happen, but we will see what happens. But at the end of the day, guys, Matic network is one of the best projects in the crypto space. The overall price momentum speaks for itself. And, I believe this is just the absolute beginning. And I just want to say congrats to Sandeep and all the people, at Matic. And I just want to say, guys, like, I've been watching you guys grow from literally, coming up in that IEO to where you guys are now. And boy, has this journey been absolutely insane. Congrats to all the Matic holders, Matic community. And lastly, if you are in it for the long haul, guys, I strongly encourage, let's say you don't care about the price action for Polygon Matic, then you want to be staking your Matic tokens, because you can earn passive income and make your holdings get bigger and bigger as time goes by, especially if you do believe that Matic is going to be way bigger in the next coming years compared to now. And you guys can see 27.39% of the circulation supply is literally being staked right now, and this number is only going to get bigger and bigger as time goes by. So please make sure you're staking if you're in it for the long haul. I cannot stress this enough. But with that being said, guys, that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now, and where could you see Matic go at the end of Q1? And also let me know your thoughts about the overall market momentum. Do you guys think we will have a top out this year sometime, or do you think we are in a total different market this time around compared to the previous bull cycles? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask for, because this helps the YouTube algorithm push my videos out. So your support would be greatly appreciated. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.